Across the Kenyan borders into Uganda, opposition leader Dr. Kiiza Besigye has been finally released after hours in detention. Soon after his release, a defiant Dr. Besigye told reporters that he would continue to defy police who have accused him of staging premature campaigns. The Uganda Electoral Commission says presidential campaigns should only begin in November. KTN's Solomon Seranja reports from the capital, Kampala.
Yesterday, Uganda's opposition leader Dr. Kiiza Besigye was arrested from his home in Kasangati in Wakiso district. He was locked up for hours in a police cell in Nagalama Professional Police Station and detained for disobedience. Besigye was, however, released in the wee hours of the night and driven back to his home by the police officers. While addressing a press conference at his home, the Forum for Democratic Change presidential flag bearer described his moments in the police cell.
I was locked up alone in my own cell, and I get worried about that because of the intense rumor that there are poisons, aerosol poisons, which are in the hands of the dictatorship, which they can spray.
Unmoved by what he described as threats, the retired colonel in the Ugandan forces says he will press on.
Programs will continue in defiance of what Mr. Kayihura and his NRM police decree.
Besigye also lamented about the unleveled ground for the political players ahead of the general election.
He's trying to lock up everybody else, while he himself, who has been campaigning for 5 years already, continues to campaign.
Besigye, alongside other opposition legislators, have for long pushed for electoral reforms through constitutional amendments ahead of the 2016 elections, although the message has fallen on deaf ears.
We shall win this election by defiance. Defiance by the people of Uganda, not by the candidates.
Earlier this week, Police Chief General Kale Kayihura said that he will not allow Besigye to continue with his mobilization exercise until the Electoral Commission's nomination date of 9th November. This is the fourth time the opposition leader is contesting against the incumbent President Yoweri Museveni. He has been 3 times unsuccessful. Battle lines have once again been drawn between the police and opposition leader Dr. Kiiza Besigye, who insists that he will defy police orders and continue with his mobilization strategy. Now, political observers say that this plays out well because it gives him political capital ahead of the 2016 general election. Solomon Seranja, KTN News, Kampala, Uganda.